Hey guys, what's up? Day 1 of opening meal meals to see who we get. This is series 4. I'll show you all my previous series. I got, pretty much all 3. Series 1. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys. Oh my god. Series 2 is on top. I think, yeah. Excuse me. But series 3 and 1 have the most, with only 1 needed in each. Pancake and what's the name? What is it? Donut. And then for my series 5, I need ice cream, mermaid, and strawberry. But yeah, that's it for all my series. 1, 2. That's 2. And that's 3.
Now we have that fox.
Say.
Which I don't think we're gonna be able to win since it's so big.
Let's see. These are my series 4s. Alright. So what's funny is that I got emerald. Cute, right? Yes, adorable. Yes, emerald I like. Yes. I like. This is diamond. And this is amethyst. My personal favorite so far. And we are opening 1 a day. With this one being our first one, this one being our second one, and this one being our third one. And those 4th, 5th, and yeah. So, number 1, Momo. That's diamond, emerald, and amethyst. I've chosen number 1.
Alright, big exciting moment.
Oh my god.
Please be a new one.
Please, please, please.
Cooper wants to make an appearance.
Oh my god. No, you're not eating Ariel. You're not eating Ariel.
Oh.
He wants to kill them. Anyway,
Stop it.
this is when the ears are up, and they are adorable. I wish they worked a little better. Like this. Okay. Oh yeah. Now I like it a lot. This is Aphmau. You should totally go check out her channel. She is like the best. These are some of the Mau you can get. Pink and purple. I have purple, which is amethyst. And we're gonna get to open. No, I open from the bottom because the tape is, of course, like. Yeah. I'll show you guys the
Cooper,
list first.
stop.
The list. I just.
Stop it. Stop it.
How many can you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There should be 12 if they're like based on months. Weird. Okay.
All right, yeah.
It says the exclusive is amethyst, which you got already.
No, that's an uncommon.
No, it says exclusive.
Oh, I got an exclusive, but there it's uncommon. Rares are rainbow cat. Yeah,
Gotcha.
I'll show you guys. They're moon, sun, galaxy cat, ruby, rose. That's a row I don't have. I have amethyst, emerald, and diamond. I need these 2 as well. So, yeah. I'm opening it now. Yeah, I know. Get to the point. I wonder if we'll get. remember, this is day 1.
Moment of truth.
Oh,
Come on.
new
Close them
cat,
eyes.
new cat, new cat. Oh, yeah, that's the correct. I'm gonna. It's new. This is what is it?
Sapphire.
Oh yeah, this is Sapphire. This is Sapphire Cat. She's adorable. Yes, we had a deal at Claire's 6. And yeah, this is.
Yeah, it was buy 3 get 3 free.
So my mom spent like $75. Meanwhile, the other 3 were free. But I love making content. Subscribe even if it's in your heart. Because I didn't know how to subscribe. I still don't.
So just show off the other ones you got
Oh
in that
yes,
series.
this is Diamond. This is not Emerald, Amethyst, and this is Emerald. The 3 originals. Well, actually, my friend gave me Diamond.
Tell me who represents them.
The
So funny that you
representative.
got them first.
Preston, my friend. You've checked out his channel, I bet. We did a Ashley, look at me. TikTok. This is Diamond, who represents my grandma. Yes. Diamond. Grandma. Yes. Love Diamond. This is Emerald, who represents the one and only, drumroll please, my mom, Emerald. Yes, my mom. Yes. That's Emerald, and that's my mom. And Amethyst
You know what?
represents
Go ahead.
represents